Hey y'all, welcome to Mama's Kitchen. Today we're going to make another real easy dessert that the kids love, strawberry shortcake. Okay, all you need for this is the strawberries, some sugar in them. And this is just a Walmart angel cake and the Ready Whip. Ready Whip is a lot better than that kind in the little tub. It tastes more like real cream. Okay, I've already washed them off. I'm just going to start cutting them up. The biggest job is getting these strawberries clean. And you want to dry them off before you start cutting them up. Okay, got that done. Okay, I'm going to start with 1/4 of a cup of sugar. I think that's going to be ample. And my helper here is going to mash the strawberries with a potato masher. Okay. You do it now, hold the bowl. This is my granddaughter Mallory. She loves to help. She does a good job too. Let me get this on the side here. Yeah, I'm just going to mash them up here where the juice will come out, but not like a blender strawberry would be. Okay, let's stop and stir it up here and see if they're sweet enough. Sweet Harwick.
Yum.
Okay, this is what it looks like when we're done. Now we're going to assemble a strawberry shortcake. Okay, let's slice this up. Okay, then Miss Mallory is going to put the strawberries. Try to get some of that juice on there too. Really go big with the strawberries. Okay, that's probably good. Put our Ready Whip on. Now we're just going to dig in here and finish these other two.
If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching on Mama's Kitchen about how to make a strawberry shortcake. So Mama's gonna cut the cake and you're gonna spoon on a little. Oh, it's playing.
Hey y'all, welcome.
Hold. Okay. Go.